In this video, I'll show you how to create a carousel post using Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log in. After that, click on Create a Design and choose Instagram Post, Square. Now your first slide will open. Design your first slide by adding text, photos, or a background. Once your first slide is ready, look at the bottom of the screen. Click on Duplicate Page to create the second slide. Now edit the text or image for the next slide. You can repeat the same step to create more slides for your carousel. All your slides will appear at the bottom as small previews. Make sure your slides look similar in color and style. After finishing all slides, click on Share and then click Download. Choose PNG and download all pages. Now your carousel images are ready. You can upload them in order as a carousel post on Instagram.